Getting sick in a foreign country is one of the most universally stressful experiences an expat can face. You're dealing with a new language, unfamiliar pharmacies, and a medical system you do not understand. But if you are moving to Scandinavia, the biggest shock isn't the quality of the medical care, it is the strict, unbending bureaucracy required to access it, and the unbelievable amount of trust your new employer places in you when you actually fall ill. Today we are decoding the realities of the Norwegian healthcare system and the massive culture shock of Norwegian sick leave. Hi, my name is Erik Christensen from NLS Norway Relocation Group, and welcome back to our advanced relocation series. Norway operates on a world-class public healthcare model, but it is heavily gated. You cannot simply look up a specialist online, call their office and book an appointment, nor can you just walk into any public clinic to be seen for a lingering cough. The entire Norwegian medical system revolves around the Fastlege in Norwegian, or your designated general practitioner. To get this Fastlege, you must be fully registered in the Norwegian system with a permanent national identity number, known as a fødselsnummer, or in some cases a D number. Once you are officially registered, you are assigned to a specific doctor's patients list in your local municipality. Your GP or fastlege is your absolute gatekeeper. If you need to see a cardiologist, a dermatologist, a therapist, or get an MRI, you must go through your fastlege first to get a medical referral. If they do not deem it strictly necessary, you do not get the referral. However, getting into this public system in the first place requires absolutely flawless paperwork. If your immigration documents, residency permits, or national registry filings are delayed, filed incorrectly, or missing a single signature, you will be locked out of the public fastlege system. You'll be forced to use expensive private medical clinics like Volvat or Dr. Drop-In, paying thousands of kroner out of pocket for basic needs while you wait in bureaucratic limbo. But once you are legally registered in the system and working, you will encounter one of the most profound culture shocks in the Norwegian workplace, Egenmelding, which translates to self-certified sick leave. If you are coming from the US or the UK, you might be used to aggressive corporate policies where human resources demands a doctor's note the moment you get the flu. In Norway, the workplace is built on a foundation of absolute trust. If you wake up sick, you simply send a message to your manager stating that you are using an Egenmelding. By law, after you have worked at a company for 2 months, you can use this self-certification for up to 3 consecutive days. In many Norwegian companies that are part of the Inclusive Working Life Agreement, you can use it for up to 8 consecutive days. You do not need a doctor's note and you will receive your full pay. Your Norwegian boss will not question you. They will not ask for proof, and they will absolutely not expect you to check your emails from bed. In fact, working while you are sick on sick leave is culturally frowned upon in Norway, as it shows a lack of respect for the team's work-life boundaries and violates the spirit of the labor laws. But you cannot enjoy the security of this world-class healthcare or the absolute peace of mind of a trust-based workplace if your foundational paperwork is a mess. That is exactly where we at NLS Norway Relocation Group steps in. We ensure you never get stuck in that bureaucratic limbo. Our vetted, certified legal partners expertly handle the extreme complexities of your immigration applications, national registry filings, and global tax compliance, so that your ID numbers are issued as quickly as legally possible. We cut through the red tape so you and your family are immediately integrated into the Norwegian healthcare system the moment you arrive. Let our trusted professionals handle the complex corporate logistics so you yourself can step off the plane and focus entirely on your new career in Norway. To secure your seamless relocation, visit us at NLS Norway Relocation.no, NLS Norway Relocation.no.